What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Apple has unveiled the future iPhone 16. Apple iPhone 16 has most advanced and cutting edge features that it offers. iPhone 16 is powered by fastest Apple A17 Pro chip coupled with a hexa-core processor. The smartphone will have a massive 6.3 inches Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display with the resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels. The smartphone will be dual camera setup. Main sensor will be 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel for best photography experience. On the front, it will be 12 megapixel camera to capture beautiful selfies. iPhone 16 will be 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB of built-in storage. The battery will be 3449 mAh with fast charging. That's all for now and thanks for watching.